Hey everybody, Dutchman Mods and Repairs. The project I'm working on, this is a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I want to try and reconditioning this plastic on this roof rail here on both sides. This side is worse than the other side, so this one must have been, I don't know, like more in the sun somehow. And the side over there, you could see it's a little bit darker, kind of towards the front there, but it is kind of getting grayed out, so to speak. I've got to remove this roof rack. That'll allow me access to this roof rail. I'm going to pull these off, and I also want to replace these screws in there that are, rusted. I'm going to see if I can find stainless steel screws for that. That'll be part of the project too, but then I'm going to recondition these plastic pieces because each one is like 230 bucks. So I'm going to see if I can save myself $460 plus shipping and tax on doing those. So let's get started. Well, that was wrong. They're T30s. So we're going to get these loosened up, taken off. Hopefully these things come off. All right, so I have them all four of those off. Looks like they've got a little, someone put a little blue RTV on. It's only on one side. I'm not sure what the blue RTV on there, but it doesn't go all the way around. And scary moment here, huh? All right, so once you get those four T30 screws out, this is actually, it's the way this rail is put in here. It actually hooks into some posts underneath. So all you need to do is just gently kind of slide it back, and then you can lift it up and reveal all the crap that gets underneath your rails. That is incredible, y'all. So this was like this. So you have one set up front here that slides under the post, and you kind of have to do some resting spots, I think. I don't know that maybe they clip a little bit underneath there. But then you have the hook in the back as well. So just to show you those posts again, right? Kind of a close-up. So I kind of just set underneath there, and that's how that rail sits on here. So I'm going to get the other one off. Probably give just the car a quick wash while and I'll show how to take those apart, because the goal here is to get those scuffed up lightly, some Scotch-Brite, after I get them cleaned, and then repainted to go back on. Probably won't finish it tonight, but it's okay. It's a really good start. So I hope that helps somebody out with how to get those off. So once again, on the passenger side, we have the four T30 screws that we'll take off. Then grab kind of the whole assembly, kind of grab all of it and just gently slide it back. All right, screws are out. It's amazing how much crap gets underneath there. Almost makes you think about why having those things are that. That just holds moisture and all that kind of stuff, and it will eventually rust your vehicle out. Probably get salt stuff all packed up in there and get your roof rust out on you. Anyhow, you can get that all cleaned up here, and time to move on to the paint phase of things. If you like what you saw here and how we got these the metal and the plastic roof rails off, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Got any questions or concerns, you can leave those down below, and we appreciate you watching.